Curiosity. Today I'm going to share to you about the World of Forest book that we just got, and it's by Robert Hunter. Interesting. Above it is the sounds of nature. I'll show you why. Here we show you there's an evergreen forest in Germany, and it has different kinds of animals pictured in it. And there's something special about this one. This is a little circle here where you can press, and it will show you or make you listen to the sounds of the animals. But before we do that, I'm going to show you here the animals that can be found in evergreen forest. We have the great tit, the Eurasian lynx, the wild boar, the red fox, badger, capercaillie, and the red deer. Let me just press this one for you. So each sound of the animals are arranged in the way they were presented here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you can hear them according to that. You just have to be very keen on listening to those sounds because you might get confused. But yeah, it sharpens your listening skills definitely. Next up is we have the redwood forest in California, USA. We have the acorn woodpecker. We have the black bear, coyote, berry thrush, raccoon, our favorite, bobcat, and chipmunk. Let me just press this one. Yep. Next is the deciduous forest in England, UK. We have different kinds of animals that live there, such as the nuthatch, wild pony, pig, the donkey, wood mouse, the tree creeper, and lastly the hornet. And here you can find the button. The next one is the rainforest of Amazon in South America. First, we have the hyacinth macaw, red howler monkey, the spider monkey, jaguar, green anaconda, glass frog, and the toko toucan. Alright, and the other one is the cloud forest, which you can find in Virunga Mountains of Africa. We have the mountain gorilla, Rwenzori turaco, golden monkey, African forest elephant, blue-headed sunbird, okapi, and the Jackson's chameleon. The okapi looks like a zebra, but it's not really a zebra. Here's your sound. Interesting. Next, we have the desert forest in Socotra Island in Yemen. We have the Egyptian vulture, the Socotra cristicata, scorpion, dromedary camel. We have the Socotra Island blue, baboon spider, Socotra sparrow, and here's the sound. The beech forest at southeast of Brussels in Belgium. We have the great spotted woodpecker, common toad, Eurasian buzzard, red squirrel, red deer or roe deer I should say, fire salamander, and the northern wren. And we have the mangrove forest in Sundarbans, India. An Indian spotted deer is here. We have the state water crocodile, Indian flying fox, rhesus macaque, brown winged kingfisher, Bengal tiger. I love those sounds. We have here the boreal forest in Alaska, USA, and the animals that you can find there are wolves, moose, boreal chickadee, snowshoe hare, gray jay, Canada lynx, and hibernating brown bear. One more is the bamboo forest in China, and you can find there the giant panda, golden toucan, Asian crested ibis, golden snub-nosed monkey, clouded leopard, and the Temminck's tragopan. Lovely. What I like about this book is that it just teaches the sounds of the animals that otherwise you won't be, you don't have time to just research and listen to those sounds. So the last page here is a summary of all the forests that we can find in the whole world, and each has a summary of the sounds here. Just press according to each mangrove forest, and this is the last, like, it's a kind of a thick book because it has the main equipment for the sounds, and this is where the speaker is. Overall, we love this book. It's very interesting to discover different kinds of forests that hold different kinds of animals, and I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Bye!